Can I successfully fight my property reassessment? Have you ever looked at your property tax bill and wondered if the assessed value is really fair? Sometimes, reassessments can be higher than what your property is actually worth. If that's the case, you might be able to challenge it. But how do you know if fighting the reassessment will work? Let's walk through the process and see what it takes to contest a property assessment. First, after a reassessment, you will get a notice from your local assessor's office. This notice states the new assessed value of your property. It's important to check the date on this notice because most places give you between 30 and 60 days to file an appeal. Missing this deadline usually means you lose your chance to contest the value. The first step in fighting a reassessment is often an informal review. You can contact the assessor's office and ask for a meeting or review of your property's valuation. During this conversation, you can present evidence like recent sales of similar properties in your neighborhood, independent appraisals, or proof of any damage or defects that might lower your property's value. If the informal review doesn't lead to a change, the next step is to file a formal appeal. This involves submitting a written petition or appeal form to a local review board or appeals panel. You may need to include supporting documents like appraisals or sales data. The review board will then examine your evidence and make a decision. If the review board rules against you, your last option might be to take the case to court. Going to court can be more expensive and time-consuming. You might need to hire a lawyer or an appraiser to help present your case. It's wise to weigh the potential savings on property taxes against these costs before proceeding. Throughout this process, keeping detailed records is essential. Make sure to meet all deadlines and provide clear, factual evidence that supports your claim. Consulting with property tax professionals or legal experts can improve your chances of success. They understand the rules and can guide you through each step. In the end, fighting a reassessment can be successful if you carefully review your property's value, act within the set time limits, and present strong evidence. Understanding the assessment process and following the proper channels can help ensure your property is taxed fairly.